In this video, we'll be setting up a campaign for all our employees, and it will run on a monthly basis. We'll be stepping through the new campaign wizard, and I'll show you some tips and tricks along the way. So the first thing to cover are campaign types. We have simulated phishing, standalone security awareness training, or a combination of both. And this is where if users fall for the phish, they are automatically served supplementary training. We'll use that for this demo. First, give the campaign a name and select one or more of the employee lists that you want to target. Click Next. Now, when it comes to phishing emails, you can choose more than one. In fact, since I'm setting up a recurring campaign, choosing a bunch of templates is actually the right approach. If you have an enterprise subscription, you can use AutoPhish. This set and forget feature allows you to use AI to automatically select phishing templates based on your defined criteria. Okay, back to the default process. The platform will choose at random who gets what. By choosing a variety of templates, we'll reduce the chance of the same user getting the same email twice in a row. This will boost the realism of the test and give us a more accurate result. To make selecting templates easier, I'm going to use filters to refine my list. I'll select hard as the detection difficulty and choose global as my geolocation. So that means all the emails that you can now see on screen will be emails that have an interaction rate above 30 and belong to a global service. I'll go ahead and pick a few now. As this is a recurring campaign, we're going to select a variety of training that is applicable to the team, just like we did with the phishing. Each time a user falls for a phish, they will intelligently be assigned one of the selected training from your pool of selected modules based on their skill level and previous completions. But I'm actually going to use auto-train. This will allow me to skip selecting content and instead use a prompt to automate the process. I'm going to stick with the default, which will serve the most contextually appropriate module for each individual based on their role, training history, demonstrated skill level, and recent interactions with phishing material. I'll click Activate Auto Train and then click Next. Okay, now it's time to set up the delivery. So you could deliver this campaign immediately, but what we're going to do is set up a schedule. We'll choose the days the campaign sends to be between Monday and Wednesdays. We'll set it to run during business hours, and then we'll choose our time zone. This will help to boost the realism of the campaign because it means that not all the phishing emails are going to be delivered immediately. They'll be staggered over these 3 days each month. Now, as I mentioned, this is going to be a monthly campaign. So let's choose monthly and then click Next. This is your opportunity to review the settings, and once you're happy, just hit Submit. Okay, that campaign's locked and loaded, and it's ready to go on Monday. And if you have any questions, we're always here to help.